How to fix Shopify compare at price doesn't appear. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. Now, why doesn't your compare at price appear? I'm going to explain this. Click on products, and here you will see your products. You have one, for example, without any variations and one with variations. If I click onto the one that doesn't have any variations, you will see compare at price right here. However, if you go and select the product which has variations right here, you will not see the compare at price as an option. How can we make it appear? In order to make it appear, you have to select all of your variants first, and then you will select bulk edit. Once you click on bulk edit, it's going to open up this page here, and you have to click on columns, and you have to manually enable compare at price. As you can see, we have just enabled it, and you can set the compare at price in this section like so. Boom. And now I have set the compare at price manually. Simply gonna click on save, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.